scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Signaling pathway questions get easy fast when you look for branching, because one signal causing multiple cellular responses means the pathway must split downstream. Start with the question's core idea. One signaling molecule has to trigger multiple responses, so we're looking for a pathway where the signal does not stay in one straight line. That means the best diagram should show branching after the signal's received, because one activated pathway splits into separate downstream effects, creating two or more different cellular responses. So watch this. Option C matches that branching pattern, which is the classic setup where one signaling molecule leads to multiple responses. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing past branching clues. Rule, trust what is given and check each step before choosing.